acted really fast. That's how I knew it was a little weird.
Yeah.
We all make mistakes.
Okay. This is the problem.
But this is not the first time you've done this.
No, it's not.
So
It's not.
this is this will be a good one. You know, I mean, this is a
Felony. I don't want to cry because I got caught. Because I did a crime because I was going to see my daughter. That's all I want.
This encounter turns on one of the most misunderstood rules in criminal procedure. The question is simple: when does a confession count, and when can it not be used?
You guilty?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are you guilty of?
I speak to a lawyer.
I'm not asking you any questions. You told me you're guilty.
Oh.
Huh? Hello. What's up?
So there was a man in here earlier that came in here twice before 6 o'clock. I asked him if he needed help or anything. He said no, so I let him be. He floated around over here mostly for the first time, and then he came back and was on this time. It acted really fast. That's how I knew it was a little weird. So then by the time he left, I seen something fall on the floor, and it's this little sheet from inside the box.
Okay.
And he was already darting down there.
Can you identify him?
He was this black, skinny gentleman with long sleeves on with either black and black pants, maybe some joggers, and it's like a jacket type thing. And just,
Can you identify him?
yeah, if he came back, I could
Are we
probably.
going to walk down on me?
Yeah,
All right.
but she needs to come first so I can close the school.
Because we don't want him to leave.
'Cause, yeah, he walked down there and I haven't seen him come back.
What did he take?
He took one of these. I have the box here. And then I just seen that he also used one of these. He ripped it off of the tag.
What is it?
The Beats Plus Studio, the transparent.
Can I have the phone? Same description you gave out. He took an iPhone battery pack, Apple, and a Beats Studio. I guess they're earbuds. They're clear. He's going towards G1. I'm trying to get at the closest store. So down
It was still hanging, the box, but this part here was still hanging. It was still hanging on there, so he must have slipped it down through the sleeve of this and just pulled it right out.
She said he snuck around twice.
Yeah, he was on this side first, so he must have grabbed the beats first and then came on this side and grabbed out. And I didn't hear him take the beats at all. I thought he was just looking at me.
Have to go 25, about 5. What's up, man? You in the
on?
store down here?
What's up?
We in the store? Don't give me a hard time. We in the store down here?
Yes, sir, I was.
Hands behind your back. Don't do anything stupid. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, sir.
Don't fight me. Understand me?
Hold on.
Drop. Put your phone down. Don't fight me. You'll be sorry. You're a suspect of a theft.
Yes, sir.
I got you on camera.
Yes, sir.
Okay? You know what I'm talking about?
Yes, sir. I'm good.
You guilty?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are you guilty of?
I speak to a lawyer.
I'm not asking you any questions. You told me you're guilty.
Oh.
Huh? You made a spontaneous utterance to me on Bodycam that you're guilty, so. Still want to speak to a lawyer? And then he said, I want to see a lawyer.
That's fine. Yeah, does he have the items?
I didn't go through it yet. Are they in there, the items? Are the items in there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In your bag?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Canada go. We have a black male in custody, signal 30.
Are they here?
No, they're in the very top.
Where is it?
Very top.
Top.
Yes, sir.
You drinking?
I had a drink, yes, sir.
This too?
No, sir.
We're verifying the amount now. That's it. That's what she said, the beats. And then
And then there was another.
Then there was he took out a pack, an app right there. That thing over there. Chris.
This?
Yep. That's not, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's an
Yeah,
apple.
so he got that out of the.
Yeah.
How'd you get this through the
I'll
TSA?
purchase that.
Here?
Yes, sir.
From where?
Inside, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Inside, yeah.
Duty free?
What's up?
From the duty free?
Yes, sir.
How'd you get it from duty free?
What do you mean?
They gave you all this stuff?
No.
No, no.
Do you have receipts for all this?
The booth.
Yeah, but he
I
can't.
don't have a receipt. I don't know.
He can't do that.
I can't do it.
No, look at it. He can't buy from the duty free. They gotta get to him on the plane.
That's true.
Body shop. Looks like you had a big shop.
So, you can't take stuff out of the duty free without taking it to the plane.
I didn't know that at all.
Okay, so there's only one way you can get it out,
That's fine.
right?
That's fine.
This is
Yeah, it's all from the duty free. He took it from the. Hey, Holton, please. I'm gonna get the manager from duty free.
all right.
Eric. No, you. Are you working alone? No, you. I need you. Are you, Eric, what? Stand here for a second, please.
Huh?
Stand here for a second.
Yeah.
Are you working alone? Get this guy stole all this stuff from your store. See a black guy in here with a dolphin, there's all kinds of booze and stuff. Where's the crown? The perfumes from your store? And the crown? But don't touch it, just look at it.
Well, for the order still.
Huh?
Maybe the order really free. Have the other one not this one? Yeah. What about this stuff here? This one will be
That's from you?
Yeah, so this one will be the other one.
You don't sell that in this one?
No.
Do you?
These? No, sir. You bought all these? I already had them.
Let me see the side.
And how come you have free and closed, completely closed? The
size?
barcodes, you cannot read the barcode.
These might have had because they're under it. But
There's
that,
a barcode here. Yeah. But the alcohol, I definitely got from there.
what's that? From him?
Yes, sir.
Okay. He stole the alcohol, not those.
Okay, so we got the alcohol. The alcohol.
Those are under, like,
Okay.
you said you took the alcohol from this store? You gotta pay more attention, man.
So, if I miss my flight, I can't do anything about that. Yeah.
They can rebook you. Like I said, I'll probably come back later and get you this stuff back. Well, the crown is already open. This. Where did these come from?
I'm not sure the sauce came from.
Cute.
Oh, man. So am I banned from this airport?
What's that?
Am I banned from the airport?
Yeah.
Okay. I got my still, my phone, but
You can get it rebooked at Miami.
The Fifth Amendment, through Miranda versus Arizona, requires warnings before any custodial interrogation. But a statement a suspect volunteers without being questioned falls entirely outside that rule. The Supreme Court drew that boundary in Rhode Island versus Innis. Interrogation means express questioning, or its functional equivalent, words or actions police should know, are reasonably likely to draw out an incriminating response. So a genuine, unprompted admission of guilt is admissible, even with no warning given. On that point alone, calling it a spontaneous utterance is legally accurate. The difficulty arises in what follows the suspect's request for a lawyer. Edwards versus Arizona holds that once counsel is clearly invoked, all interrogation must cease until an attorney is present or the suspect reopens the conversation. Continuing to ask about the location and contents of a bag after that request is the conduct a court will examine. Were those questions routine property recovery, or were they reasonably likely to produce more incriminating answers? That single distinction can decide whether a statement survives a suppression motion. The invocation itself must be unambiguous to trigger the rule. Under Davis versus United States, a clear request for counsel demands that questioning stop, while a hesitant or conditional comment may not carry the same force.
kind of shaking up now. I got Rob all down here. It's been a long weekend.
Where'd you come down for?
I came to my fiance, actually. That's really why I came down here. So I was just kind of, I'm just growing up in all actuality. I'm just trying to do better. That's really it. And I got a bad habit.
You obviously have done this before, right?
I almost got away with it. If I would lay down in that corner, I would have been good. So I'm just trying to get behind my daughter. And that's really it.
Hey, listen.
Yeah.
We all make mistakes.
Okay. Keep doing this a problem.
But this is not the first time you've done this.
No, it's not.
No. So this will be a good one. You know, I mean, this is a felony. Yeah, and we still got to get the body shop stuff, which I don't think that's all that much. I mean, you're stealing at airport prices.
Yeah. So I'm making 27 out of felony. So it's like, how long does the felony last in your name?
Oh, perfect timing, Daddy. How are you? Listen.
I don't want to cry because I got caught. Because I did a crime because I was going to see my daughter. That's all I want to cry.
Cool. We'll be all right. Just relax, okay? Just sing.
You still Cam?
I did. I didn't do it. I went through his pockets and stuff. I didn't do a real good one. Don't cry. Don't cry.
My mom's gonna be disappointed. She's gonna be disappointed. My daughter gonna be sad. She'll be mad at me.
Everybody will.
Hey, look.
So the thing that
This is what we call a bump in the road.
I know.
Boy, I wish I had a waist this big.
You know?
Yeah.
I wish I was a little bigger in the waist.
No, I don't. You don't want that.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't. Trust me when I tell you, you don't want bigger in the waist, right?
Yeah, I've had too many bumps in the road. I'm just tired of this shit. I want to.
Yeah, gotta learn one day.
Maybe this will be that thing. Do you have another shirt on?
I have a muscle short. That's it. All right.
Tank top?
Copy.
Morning.
You gotta take this.
Oh, yeah, you got the...
bracelet.
What's that?
Bracelet.
Oh, yeah, the bracelets, right. We'll get that in a minute.
I got that. Hold on.
Should I go to Miami airport to get home?
Yeah.
I got blessed with this ticket. I went to a sister church. I got robbed. I went to a church. He blessed me with a ticket and get past out here. So I just feel like I'm letting people down. It's ain't about I'm getting arrested. It's just like I'm letting people down and all. Well, like people trust me and put faith in me, and I just keep doing. It's like
You'll learn. You're still young, but you will. Is that everything?
Yeah.
Or you gonna do it though? I lost.
I got it.
Well, we're going to do what?
With the bracelets and the
Everything's
ring.
yours.
I just don't want to lose them.
No. None of this stuff will get. Let me get. As a matter of fact, let me get a envelope.
Let me get him. Yeah. Sit over there, and I want you to remove your shoes outside here. That's it.
The Fourth Amendment question, by contrast, rests on firmer ground. A warrantless search is presumptively unreasonable, but here several exceptions apply. With probable cause from the eyewitness account and the matching merchandise, the search qualifies as incident to a lawful arrest under United States v. Robinson. The suspect also appears to direct officers to the items which a court may treat as voluntary consent. The charge itself flows directly from a single number, the value of the property. Under Florida Statute Section 8, 12.014, property worth $100 or more, but less than $750, is petit theft of the first degree, a first-degree misdemeanor. That dollar line, not the act of taking, separates a misdemeanor from felony grand theft. The final disposition carries its own precise legal meaning. Adjudication withheld means the court declines to enter a formal conviction, provided the defendant satisfies every condition imposed, which commonly includes a term of probation. The officer earns a B-. The probable cause was strong and the search defensible, but questioning a suspect after he asked for a lawyer placed otherwise admissible statements at risk of suppression. The subject earns a C+. He correctly invoked the right to counsel, yet defeated its purpose by continuing to speak and confess after that invocation. A right to silence protects only the person who actually stays silent. The department earns a B. The conduct reflects standard practice, with one correctable training point. The duty to cease questioning the instant counsel is requested. The lesson from this case runs in two directions. For officers, a spontaneous utterance is admissible, but the moment a suspect asks for a lawyer, every further question becomes a liability. For citizens, invoking the right to counsel means nothing unless silence immediately follows. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.